Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passwordless login with Microsoft Authenticator step by step clearly. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you open the app, sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. On the main screen, tap on the plus icon to add a new account. Choose the option for work or school account. You may be asked to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. To retrieve the QR code, open your computer and go to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. Enter your email and click on Next. Select the option for passwordless sign-in. You will see a QR code on your screen. Return to the Microsoft Authenticator app. Use the app's built-in scanner to scan the QR code. After scanning, your account will be linked to the app. Now, let's enable passwordless login. On your computer, navigate to the security info page in your account settings. You will find a section titled Additional Security Verification. Click on Setup next to the passwordless sign-in option. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity. You might need to approve a notification sent to the Authenticator app. Once approved, your passwordless login will be activated. To test it, sign out of your Microsoft account. When signing back in, select the option for passwordless sign-in. You will receive a verification prompt on your Microsoft Authenticator app. Open the app and approve the request. You will now gain access without needing to enter a password. Congratulations, you have successfully activated passwordless login with Microsoft Authenticator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.